Austin police officer Christopher Taylor was charged in the 2020 killing of Michael Ramos. The jury deadlocked in that murder case and the charges were dropped. This is an unrelated trial involving the 2019 shooting death of Mauris DeSilva. Officer Christopher Taylor is in court today for opening statements in his deadly conduct trial. Prosecutor Rob Drummond described to the jury the mental state of DeSilva, who was an Austin scientist and researcher.
What the evidence is going to show you is that this was a man who was undergoing a profound mental disturbance.
On July 31st, 2019, DeSilva walked outside the Spring condominiums with a large knife in his hand. He went back inside the high-rise condos where he lived, and that's when police arrived.
Mauris DeSilva was complying with the commands. He was showing his hands. He was lowering the knife. And that when Officer Taylor fired 5 rounds, he was not operating as an ordinary, prudent person defending himself or others. He was committing the offense of deadly conduct.
Defense attorney Ken Irvin described DeSilva's actions as more aggressive and threatening, both to himself and others.
He's got the knife to his throat. Over the next 3 seconds, he takes 2 steps toward the officers and levels the knife at them. Blade pointing at the officers, disregarding all commands. The time officers fired, Mr. DeSilva was 3 feet from Officer Crecia and about 5.5 feet from Officer Taylor. Well within the range to be seriously injured or killed by a man with a knife.
This is body camera video from Officer Taylor. It shows him arriving at the corner of 3rd and Bowie Streets and encountering witness Oliver Cabin. Cabin testified he was celebrating his wife's birthday when he saw a man in running shorts and flip-flops holding a knife. He called 911.
There was a guy on the street holding a large butcher knife to his throat.
Cabin says he got involved because the situation was escalating.
Call 911 when he stopped the car with a knife.
Deadly conduct is a 3rd-degree felony with a punishment of up to 10 years in prison. This trial is expected to last 2 to 3 weeks. Betty Cross, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.